Japan, the land of the rising sun. Today I will take you on a journey as we explore my first day in this beautiful country. Good morning, guys. My name is Daliani.
I'm Sagen.
Visiting Asia was always on our list of traveling destinations, so we decided to start from Japan. We got to the Tampa International Airport around 5:30 a.m. We checked our bags and we waited for our flight. Our plane was about to leave, and at this moment I realized we were really going to Japan. We had a connection flight, so we took our flight from Tampa to Chicago, and we took a straight flight from Chicago to Haneda Airport in Tokyo, Japan. And after 15-hour flights, we finally got to Japan. We took a train from the airport to the Tenkobashi station that was very close from our hotel in Tokyo. Coming out of the station, we were surprised to see this beautiful sunset. We head towards our hotel. After dropping our belongings, we immediately head to Ise Suyoshi, a restaurant located in the heart of Tokyo.
It's very windy. So we just got here in this restaurant called Ise Suyoshi. We made a reservation about 1 month ago.
Yeah, 1 month.
Yeah, so we're about to go in and try the food.
The restaurant is owned by the chef Yuki Tanaka. Yuki studied the secrets of Japanese cuisine, then went on the road, visiting more than 15 countries while always carrying a bottle of soy sauce and some kelp with him. These travels opened his eyes to the fact that a region's food culture is always born out of locally grown ingredients. We booked this restaurant because we want to try the hugo fish, also known as puffer fish. The hugo fish is Japanese most dangerous dish. It's a poison-blown fish that requires a special chef's license to prepare it, in which it takes about 4 years of training until the chef is ready to prepare it.
I serve the face to you, so front is face for your keyboard. So to make opposite, first please put on your left hand and count 2 times please on your left hand. 90 degree, 90 degree. It should be 180. Then support right hand, please start drinking using both hands. And when you drink last drop, please make noise only at the end. This is the correct way. Shorter better. Quick. Okay. Good sound. Next dish is Hassan. We express a spring picnic plate for this Hassan. left side, this is monaka, Japanese wrapper. Inside is chicken liver and pickled daikon radish. Yellow one is fried egg yolk and yam, and boiled prawn and pickled avocado. And right side, smoked baby squid and mountain vegetable cooking with dashi jelly. There are 5 colors butterflies made from carrots, also eatable. But please do not eat flour. Recommend shiso flour and wasabi eat together.
That's excellent.
So
This is
good.
excellent eating, guys. Excellent. I love it.
Now it is time to try the hug of fish. I will confess I was very scared to try this dish, but it ended up being delicious.
And this is sakarashi. We steamed mochi rice wrapped with pickled cherry blossom leaf and flour. Please enjoy ingredients and dashi soup together.
Visiting Ise Tsuyoshi was a great introduction to Japanese cuisine. Chef Yuki was very nice and professional. He explained to us everything about the food. This was our first day in Japan. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to leave your like and subscribe. Until next time.